Hi Rakshita.
Hi, sir.
So first of all, congratulations for your
Thank you so
success.
much, sir.
So which company you got placed?
Cognizant, sir.
Cognizant.
Yes,
So which domain you got placed?
sir. Process executive.
Process
Accounts
executive in the function of F&A,
Yeah.
finance and accounting only.
Yeah.
Great, nice. So yeah, just I want to know about your success story. How do you know about SV and why did you trusted SV? Only why you came to SV? Because there are multiple institutions. There are many institutions in the market.
Yes.
Only why you selected SV అనేది we
Yeah.
want to know.
So, firstly, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. And I would thank you and Praveen sir, Konda Reddy sir, Varun sir, and also Gautami ma'am. She helped me a lot actually.
Nice.
And she guided me actually a lot. And also, like, how I know about this institute is from my brother's friend actually.
Okay.
He came here and he trained for 2 months and he got placed in Wells Fargo, I think so, as a team lead.
Name, you know name?
Mahesh something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the reason I trusted this institute. So I want to improve more about myself and my communication and also my skills. So that's the reason I came to SV Professionals, which really helped me to get into my job career, which is really important. This is my first step to step in this
Into MNCs,
MNCs.
into your domain.
Yeah,
So that is the
into
most
especially my domain,
yeah.
because most of the people are doing BCom, but they are going for some other process like
Exactly.
content moderation, voice process.
Yeah.
Like what they're studying, they're not going for that process.
Exactly.
They're only going for like normal things.
Yes, that is what if after 3 years, 5 years, what will happen?
Yeah.
The thing what you are studied, what you are working, after 5 years, the next step would be there. If you are not working under the same domain or something like an irrelevant domain, definitely it is impact their careers.
Like
So
that's
that
the reason. Like I have been seeing so many people doing same thing.
Yep.
Like they're going for some other process only, voice process, or else this content
moderation and mappings.
So, yeah,
and
that's
these.
the reason. Like I'm like I just want to go for my field.
Okay.
What I studied, I want to go for that field only.
Okay.
So that's the reason I got to know about this institute. So I came here.
So you feel happy
Yeah,
with
I feel
our
very
performance?
happy. Yes, definitely.
Nice. Yeah.
How you taught us, how everybody taught us, like faculty was very good.
Do you feel motivated from us? So
Yeah, definitely I feel motivated. Like not only you teach only subject thing, but also sometimes you give us some motivation.
Ethics.
How we should ethics values, how we should perform in company when we enter into that company and all.
Yeah. So human being and the relationship and ethics, these also important,
very
right?
important.
Yeah.
Like
When you are a mature
ethics
person,
values, yeah.
so definitely we know that things. If you can't, like definitely there is a waste of the things.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. I appreciate. You're a college. Where you're from?
Begumpet Women's College, government degree college.
Oh, it's a government degree college. So fine, great. So after that, directly you came
Yeah,
over here.
directly. After completion of my exam, 6th sem,
Okay.
after 1 week I joined here.
Nice. Good, Amma. Appreciate. Thanks for your trust,
Thank
and
you, sir.
I really happy that. So do your best. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So stepping into the first step, initial thing, but proving there and enhancing your knowledge and going to other companies, subject wise and knowledge wise, everything you can grasp from the companies.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Also do your best in the company. Prove yourself what
Yes,
you
sir.
are. So be positive.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Good luck and all the best.
Thank you so much.